Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Copper email threads and task history, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Copper email threads and task history, first, log into your Copper account. Navigate to the emails section on the left sidebar. Select the email thread you wish to backup. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the email thread. Choose Export from the drop-down menu. Select the format you prefer for the export, such as PDF or CSV. Confirm the download by clicking Save or Download. Next, navigate to the Tasks section on the left sidebar. Locate the task history you want to backup. Click the three dots next to the task you want to export. Select Export from the drop-down menu. Choose the desired format for your task history export. Once again, confirm the download by clicking Save or Download. For a complete backup, consider exporting each category separately. Ensure you check your Downloads folder for the files. Organize the exported files in a secure location on your device. It's important to periodically backup your data to prevent loss. Review your backup files to ensure everything is intact. And that's how you can backup your Copper email threads and task history effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.